back to this 2019 TLX. We've taken the driver's side headlight out. I'm going to show you guys how to take the passenger side headlight out now. Very simple. These little clippy things need to come off. These guys. And then back here you got to pinch these guys. This right here is this guy right here. I was pinching these two little black legs on here. I don't know if you can see it. These guys. The one on each side. You push those and pop that out, and then this guy, if you unscrew it, it'll pop out. Once this goes in, it expands. The tins I was talking about, there's one right here. There's one down in here. There's two up here. And then this guy in here. Pull this guy out. Oh. Back the clip had fallen back in. Take this off. Then you pull on this little gadget and this will come off. If you have to replace the headlight bracket, 2 screws. Replace the headlight bracket. That's it. Very simple.